During the Middle Ages, the global Black Death pandemic swept across Europe. Despite all the darkness and hardship, out of it emerged the Renaissance, one of the greatest eras for art, for literature, for architecture, and human history. Getting married in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic isn't ideal, but I know that today, our Renaissance is being born.
Hold me close, don't ever know, let me go. Feeling so good to be next to you. Let's roll our glass out and dance till the rhythm of our souls, and let's act as if this was a movie. Don't let go, let go. Let's make this last forever. I'll make this last forever till the rhythm of our soul. Make this last forever. Let's make this last forever. Let's make this last forever. This lasts forever.
I only have one cardinal vow. All others are sub-vows of this one. This vow will drive all my thoughts and actions for the rest of my life. I vow to choose to love you. This vow has two main parts, to choose and to love. You choose me every day, even when you're tired or when you wish I was tired, but I'm not. So I vow to choose to love you every single day for the rest of my life. That brings me to the second part of my vows. What do I mean by love? Love means I vow to be kind. Like you, how you picked me up and carried me to see the fireworks on the 14th of July on the sun. You, Bruno, are goodness embodied. In life, I've had many failures and successes. In love, I've only had one of each. The moment I let you go and the moment I came back.
Choosing you made me feel happier, safer. Then we chose each other. We had already chosen each other in the Arctic, in Oslo, in Liverpool, in Berlin, in Amsterdam, in Orcas. What this ceremony today now does is to let our souls witness each other as we affirm the choice we make to stand together as life mates and partners. Emma Grace Smith, I vow to choose to love you every day.
Teach me not to judge or slander the hearts of other men. Teach me how to feast and dance when my brother's home again. You're always with me. You'll
my head is full of questions, and the sky is full of rain. When I'm worrying about what I can't change, I take a look at my reflection and try to make a funny face, and for a second all my sorrows melt away. As if we just smile, we can forget all of our troubles for a while. We can just live inside this moment. You and I get through the darkness, knowing we'll find the light. If we just smile, if we just smile, yeah, if we just smile, if we just smile.